Class 1 Computer. Class 1 Computer. Today we are going to learn about Know the Keyboard. Today we are going to learn about Know the Keyboard. In our previous class we have done Meet the Mouse. In our previous class we have done Meet the Mouse. Like that, we know the keyboard is also a very important part of the computer, right? Like a mouse. Mouse is also part of a computer and keyboard is also part of a computer. In our last class we have done parts of a computer. In that we have learned 4 main parts of a computer. Now in your previous class you have done mouse. You now know the importance of mouse. With the help of mouse, what can you do, what are the uses of the mouse. Like that, in our today's class we will learn about what is a keyboard and what are the functions of keyboard. Okay, so it is also very important part of a computer. We will know more about the keyboards also in this chapter. I hope you all are good in health. Stay safe and stay home. So let's get started with our today's lesson, Know the Keyboard. So before going to the chapter, first we should always know what is a keyboard. So in the next slide you're going to know what is a keyboard. So what is a keyboard, or what do you understand by a keyboard? Okay, keyboard is an input device. Now when you have done the parts of a computer, we have done 4 parts. That was CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. So monitor was an output device, keyboard and mouse is an input device, and CPU is the processing device. So keyboard is an input device. It gives the input to the computer, or it instructs the computer what to do. Okay, so you cannot say like this. When anybody asks what is a keyboard, you should say in a frame. You should frame your answer and say then, So keyboard is an input device. It is an essential part of the computer which is used for typing text, okay, or giving instructions to the computer. What do you understand by essential? Essential means very important. It is very, very important. Because we cannot communicate to the computer by saying or by speaking or by singing. We are always communicating with the computer with the help of a keyboard. Whatever we are typing in the keyboard, the computer gets to know. So keyboard is very important part, very essential part of a computer, through which we can instruct what to do. We can say whether to add, where to draw, what we want to say, we can say with the help of a keyboard. So it is a very essential part of a computer. Now see, this is the image of a keyboard. This is the image of a keyboard. Again I am recapping with you that keyboard is an input device. It is very essential. It is an essential part of a computer. It is used for typing text or giving instructions to the computer. So this is the image of a keyboard. Now let's get into our book. Know the Keyboard. Know the keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing on a computer. Just now I have said now. It is used for typing a text or giving instructions to a computer. So a keyboard is used for typing on a computer. When we type a text with the help of a keyboard, the cursor blinks. There is a cursor which blinks from its current position on the screen. Wherever the cursor is, it will blink, means it will come and go, it will be blinking. So a keyboard is used for typing on a computer. When typing a text with the help of a keyboard, the cursor blinks from its current position on the screen. Now let's see keys on a keyboard. Now what are keys? What are keys? The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. The buttons which are present on the keyboard. You can see over here a keyboard is drawn over here only. Now you can see square boxes are there in the rectangle box. Now these are the buttons on the keyboard. So the buttons on the keyboards are called keys. There are 3 types of keys on a computer keyboard. In a keyboard, the keys are divided into 3 specific groups. In it there are many, like alphabet keys, number keys, special keys. So with the name only you can know what are alphabet keys, what are number keys, and what are special keys. So in the next slide we are going to learn about each keys briefly. So the buttons on the keyboard are called keys. There are 3 types of keys on a keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. Tech facts. Now see this tech facts. I always say now, always read the yellow box, which can be very important sometime, so never miss it. The keys on the keyboard that have taken up the design of a keyboard from a typewriter. So you can match it with the typewriter keys. So the keys on the keyboard, it's similar as the keys on the typewriter. So the keys on a keyboard, computer keyboard, have taken up the design of a keyboard from typewriter. Okay, now alphabet keys. Alphabet keys. Now, what are the alphabets? From nursery KG, we are learning the alphabets that are A to Z. Now, how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabet keys. 26 alphabets in our English letters. Okay. So all the keys, all the alphabets are present in the keyboard so that we can form words. So there are also alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys in the keyboard. So let's see what is written in the book. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, sentences, and words. So alphabet keys are used to type letters, sentences, and words. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. Why there is 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard? Because in English letters there are 26 alphabets, right? So it will be 26 alphabet keys only. The letters in the keyboard are not arranged in alphabetically order. So the letters on the keyboard are not arranged in the alphabetical order. When we press a letter, it gets displayed on the monitor. Whenever we are pressing any alphabet, it is being displayed on the monitor screen. That means if I press R on my computer, I can see R written. If I press I can get to see in my monitor screen I. If I press T, I'll get to see T, and so on. Okay, so alphabet keys are used to type letters and sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. The letters in the keyboard are not arranged in alphabetically order. When we press a letter, it gets displayed on the monitor screen. Number keys. Now, like alphabet keys, there is number keys also. With a name only, you can understand numbers. So, in our childhood, we used to learn first 1 to 10 numbers. Okay? But in the keyboard, there are 0 to 9 numbers. Present 0 to 9 numbers. So, the number keys are used to type numbers from 0 to 9. You can type any number. You can type 91, you can type 100, 1000, whatever you can type. But there are 0 to 9 keys on a keyboard. There are two sets of number keys on a keyboard. You can see the image. First one is horizontally placed above the alphabet keys, and the second one is present to the right hand side of the alphabet keys. So there are two sets of number keys present on the keyboard. The numbers keys are used to type numbers from 0 to 9. There are two sets of number keys present on the keyboard. Now, apart from alphabet keys and number keys, there are some special keys which are present on the keyboard. So, apart from number keys and alphabet keys, there are some keys which are also present on the keyboard. That keys are known as special keys. That keys are known as special keys. So the keys are used to perform special functions on a keyboard. So these keys are used to perform some specific functions on a keyboard. Some commonly used special keys are space bar key, enter key, delete key, backspace key, and caps lock key. So these are the some special keys which are having special functions on computer. So we will see all the functions, what are the functions of these types of key in this chapter only in the next slides. So there are some keys which are having special functions on a keyboard. They are special key, spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, caps lock key, and delete keys. Spacebar keys. So this key is the longest key present on the keyboard. So this is the key which is the longest key present on a keyboard. When we press the space bar key, you know what happens? With the name only we can understand space. Space means giving some space, okay, between two numbers or two letters or two words or a sentence, whatever. So whenever we press the space bar key, a blank space gets added. A blank space gets added. This is more helpful to type sentences. This is more helpful to type sentences. So what do you understand by space bar key? It is the longest key in the keyboard. When we press the space bar key, a blank space gets added. This is more helpful to type a sentences. Clear? Enter key. So you can see the enter keys. Press the image. Two different shapes. Okay. So there are two enter keys with different shapes. There are two enter keys with two different shapes. When we press the enter key, the cursor moves to the next line. So what happens while we press enter key? Whenever we press enter key, the cursor automatically moves to the next line or the down. So whenever we press enter key, the cursor moves automatically down. Clear? So there are two enter keys with two different shapes. Whenever we press enter key, the cursor automatically moves to the next line. So you can see the two different shapes of the enter keys. Backspace key. So you can see the image of a backspace key. So what is a backspace key? Backspace key is very important. Like in our box, there should be an eraser and a pencil. Whenever you are writing in your copy, you always need an eraser, because whenever you do any mistake, you can erase and you can write over there, right? When we are using a pen, we need a whitener or an ink eraser. Like that in computer also, when we write, we can make some mistake. So for erasing it, we need a backspace key. Backspace key behaves like an eraser. Backspace key behaves like an eraser. When we press this key, the letters to the left of the cursor, when we press this key, the letters to the left of the cursor gets deleted. So backspace key behaves like an eraser. When we press this key, the letters to the left of the cursor gets deleted. Caps lock key. Caps lock key. So you can see the caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters. When we press the key, the caps lock light gets turned on. So you will notice something whenever you switch on caps lock key, means you just press it once, you can see the one button will glow up. That means the caps lock key is ready to perform its function. So what is the function of caps lock key? The letters gets capitalized. Okay, the letter gets capitalized. Now the typed letters appear in capital letter. Now the typed letters appears in capital letters. So cap lock key is used to type capital letters. When we press the key, the caps lock light gets turned on. Now the typed letters appears in the capital letters. Now comes delete key. Now you can see the image of a delete key. So delete key erases the text present on the right of the cursor. So whatever the text which is present to the right of the cursor, you can delete it. But to the left of the cursor, you can backspace it. Okay? When we press this key, letters to the right of the cursor gets deleted. So whenever we press this, the letters which are to the right hand side, it gets deleted. So the delete key erases the text present on the right of the cursor. When we press this key, the letters to the right of the cursor gets deleted. Simply remember. To type in small letters, turn off the caps lock light while pressing the caps lock key again. So while you want to write capital letter, you turn on the caps lock key. When the light is glowing up, that means the caps lock key is turned on. Now you can write anything in the capital letter. But when you want to again write it in a small letter, what you need to do, you just need to click again the caps lock key and the light will be turned off. That means the function of the caps lock key is finished. Now whatever letter you are going to write, it will be in small letter. So let's get started with our exercise. So we have done our chapter. So let's get started with our exercise. Fill in the blanks. When we press the dash key, the cursor, it moves the cursor to the next line. That will be enter key. Enter. A computer keyboard has alphabet, number and special key. So in 3 dashes it will be alphabet, number and special. Number 3, dash key behaves like an eraser. Dash keys behaves like an eraser. That is backspace key. Number B, see what it is given. Label the following keys in the correct boxes. So you just know now what one is what, which one is what. Now you can label it correctly, accurately, right? So this is the backspace key. The first one is backspace key. The second one is caps lock key. Third one is space bar key. And fourth one is enter key. So please pause the video and write all the names correctly. State whether the given statements are true and false. State whether the given statements are true or false. So just you have to write T or F. The backspace key is the longest key on the keyboard. True or false? False. So which one is the longest key? Yes, space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. The number keys are used to type numbers. True. Space bar keys erases the text present on the right curve the cursor. So it will be false. So which keys help? Delete key helps to delete the alphabets or numbers, whatever text, when it is present on the right hand side of the cursor. The caps lock key is used to type capital letters. True. Choose the correct answer. How many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard? So there are 26 alphabet keys. So take the 26th one. Number 2, how many numbers keys are there on a keyboard? How many number keys are there? 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 10 keys. Number 3. If you have to type 68, which keys you will use? Alphabet or number keys? Obviously number keys. Now let's get started with the question answer. Question answer. The number 1 question. Which keys on the keyboard help to delete text on a computer? Which keys on a keyboard help to delete text on the computer? So we can delete text on a computer with the help of 2 keys. So we are going to write only the names, that is delete keys and backspace key. Number 2. How many enter keys are there on a large keyboard? Only you are going to write 2 enter keys, not in the full sentence, just 2. So how many keys are there on the large keyboard? 2 enter keys. Number 3. Name 3 special keys on the keyboard. Name 3 special keys on the keyboard. Spacebar key, enter key and delete key. Any 3 you can write. I have just written this 3. You can write any 3 special keys present on the keyboard. Number 4. What are keys? Number 4. What are keys? The buttons on the keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Then number 5. Name the longest key on the keyboard. Name the longest key on the keyboard. That is space bar key. Space bar key. Number 6. What happens when we press the enter key? What happens when we press the enter key? So answer is, when we press the enter key, it moves the cursor to the next line. When we press the enter key, it moves the cursor to the next line. So last one is draw and label a keyboard. Draw and label a keyboard. Okay? Till then, you go through the chapter very carefully. All the portion, read it well so that no confusion is left. All the buttons, all the keys, everything you go through thoroughly with the chapter. Till then, thank you.